The ugly duckling. Mother duck sat on her eggs to hatch. One morning the eggs began to crack. 5 pretty chicks came out of their shells, but one egg had not hatched. So Mother duck sat to wait, then the finally cracked. Out came a chick with ugly feathers. That chick was not a duck, it was a beautiful swan when it grew up. Number 1. What did Mother Duck do? A. Sat on her eggs. B. Swam in the pond. C. Played with her chicks. A. Sat on her eggs. Number 2. Why did Mother Duck sit on her eggs? A. To hide them. B. To crack them. C. To hatch them. C. To hatch them. Number 3. How many eggs were hatched first? A. 4. B. 5. C. 6. B. 5. Number 4. What kind of chick came out last? A. Beautiful duckling. B. Big duckling. C. Ugly duckling. C. Ugly duckling. Number 5. When it grew up, the ugly duckling was actually A. Mother hen. B. Wild turkey. B. Beautiful swan. B. Beautiful swan.